exhaust. My brand new exhaust, got it done today. It's 3-inch, right at the downpipe, right when the downpipe turns down. It was cut off right there, so there's about maybe 3 inches left of the stock downpipe, but it's about 3 inches of that. I'm pretty sure that's pretty big though. I'm not exactly sure what size it is offhand, but I know it's pretty decent size. And from there all the way back, it's 3 inches. Mandrel bent, high flow cat, 3-inch high flow cat, and the rest is straight, no muffler, no nothing. A lot of moisture out. That's what the water was, a lot of moisture sitting in the exhaust. It's about 30 degrees.